sitting at the top. This turns into a bed. We're not really sure how right now, but we'll work it out. This is the front section where all the magic happens. This is where I sit and look at my phone while Beck properly drives in that seat. And it's pretty much the van. Van life is a good life.
See some beautiful things. It's gonna be great. It's gorgeous. Just left Port Arthur. It was fun. It was fun. It was really cold. Good morning. It is Thursday morning and we are on the road. We just ran over a possum. It was already dead. It was a wallaby and it was already dead. How would you rate the night, Beth? I slept very well. Now we're on the road. We're going to Markle Cave. It's gonna be good. It's a little bit illegal, but it's gonna be great. It was very fun. We illegally jumped down into the cave, and then we showed everybody how to illegally jump down into the cave. They all followed us. So, yay for breaking the law. Waiting for this hole to blow. I just really think that the tide is too low. It's way too low. Does that count as a blow? I think it's got a wave.
At the Tuna Club of Tasmania rain station.
Wow.
That was not hard.
He's just chilling. He's just a chill seal.
This is back in her natural habitat. Alright. Dew was a banger of a pit stop. Definitely. I had very low expectations for this place and it delivered. Seals, blowholes, jetties, got it all. Which one are we? We're in Eagle Hawk Neck. Hawk Neck. We're on a second short walk. Okay. Although we did read a sign before where a 5-hour walk was described as one of Tasmania's best short walks. So I feel like our definition of short walk is still, this is only 10 minutes. Oh! We found the Tasmanian pavements.
We found a lot of tourists. We came at bad time. Master in the van. Chef. You. Pumping.
I'm pumping it. I literally can't pump it any faster.
It's so very expensive. It hurts me. $60, that's not too bad. My car takes $60.
We lost Van.
We're full. Nature. What are we doing?
Exercise.
We're gonna go hike to the top of Wineglass Bay Lookout, and then if we feel particularly enthusiastic, we will come back down onto the beach. But it adds an extra hour and a half.
And it changes the walk from moderate to difficult.
We made it to the top.
It wasn't even that bad, even though we thought we were going to die.
It wasn't great, but it was okay. And look at this view. And that is why I'm happy to make my chest feel like it's on fire. You reckon we can go to the bottom?
I think we're going to try.
We're gonna go swimming. This is the worst idea. It's really cold.
Very cold. It's time to walk all the way back. How you feeling?
Tired.
We totally like sprinted up. We love hiking.
You did a great job. I'm really excited about this. I'm so excited about this dinner with me.
Rustic means poorly done.
8 o'clock in the morning. It is pouring with rain. It rained all night and we left some windows open. And Beck's gonna make us some breakfast and coffee. Good morning. We are on the That's how I feel. We're on the road. It is pissing with rain, and we're gonna go to a lavender farm. What could go wrong? It's gonna be 200 k's, which is the longest drive we've done. Beck is a trooper, and she can drive anything, anywhere. I'm excited, and it's gonna be a party. We have a drawer open. It smells like the greatest thing ever. We are at the gorge. It is gorgeous. Last night in the Elis van. Last night in Tassie. Tomorrow we're going to drive back to Hobart. We're going to go swimming in a gorge. And it's going to be really fun. We just swam in the gorge. It's cold. It was really cold. I'm not sure what we expected it to be, but it was cold, but it was fresh.
It was fresh.
We're feeling very awake. We packed our van, just waiting for our plane. Elis van. That's it. That's it. Bye, Elis. Bye, van. Shh, you wake the children. On the plane, we have our dinner. Nutritious and delicious. Welcome to Sydney. Final thoughts?
It's been fun. Wish it was longer.
I think we did pretty much everything we were going to do in 7 days in
Except
4
Cram
days.
Mountain, yeah.
Except for the mountain, but we wouldn't have hiked it anyway. We would have died on the way anyway, so it worked. So, all in all,
Solid trip.
full trip. Wood van again.
Definitely.
Peace out.